In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Maps 3D on iPhone. If you've used Google Maps on a computer, you might expect a big 3D button. On iPhone, there isn't a single switch like that, but you can still get a great three-dimensional perspective by using the right gestures and, when you want the most realism, the satellite view. I'll walk you through two simple methods, explain what to expect, and share a few tips so it all feels smooth and intuitive. First, the quickest way to see a 3D perspective is by tilting the map. Open the Google Maps app, search for any location you want to explore, and make sure you're in your preferred map view, whether that's the standard map or satellite. Now, place two fingers on the screen and swipe upward. As you do, the map tilts from a flat top-down view into an angled perspective, and you'll notice buildings and terrain take on depth. If the view flattens again, try a slower, steady upward swipe with two fingers close together. This method works anywhere on the map and is great for getting a sense of elevation or building heights at a glance. If you want to return to a flat view, simply swipe downward with two fingers to reduce the tilt. For the most realistic look, combine satellite imagery with 3D buildings. Open Google Maps and tap the layers icon in the top right. Choose satellite to turn on high-resolution aerial imagery. Then zoom in close to the area you want to explore so details can load clearly. From here, tilt the map by swiping up with two fingers or rotate the map with a two-finger twist. When you're zoomed in and using satellite, you'll see 3D buildings, terrain contours, and more lifelike structures. Moving slowly helps the details render cleanly, and rotating the view can reveal the shape of buildings and the lay of the land from different angles. This setup is especially effective in dense urban areas where there's more data available for 3D buildings. A couple of important notes before you dive in. Not every location has strong 3D detail. Coverage depends on the city and the available data, and bigger cities usually look the best. Also, unlike Google Earth, the iPhone version of Google Maps doesn't offer a fully immersive 3D mode toggle. Everything you've seen here relies on tilt and rotation gestures, plus satellite view when you want extra realism. That's it. Use tilt anywhere for a quick 3D perspective, or pair satellite with tilt and rotation for the best-looking results. Try it on a few cities to get a feel for it, and enjoy exploring in 3D on your iPhone.